Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to launch control a Porsche 911 Turbo S. First, ensure your vehicle is in Sport Plus mode, which is crucial for activating the launch control system. Next, firmly press the brake pedal all the way down with your left foot. Immediately after, fully depress the accelerator pedal with your right foot, pushing it past the kickdown point. This prepares the car for an exhilarating start. Once both pedals are engaged, you'll see launch control displayed on your instrument cluster, confirming the system is active. The engine revolutions per minute will stabilize at an optimal high level, indicating the car is ready for maximum acceleration. When you are prepared, quickly release the brake pedal. The car will then unleash its full power, providing an incredibly fast and controlled takeoff. For the best possible launch, make sure your Porsche's engine is at its proper operating temperature. This ensures all systems are ready for the intense demands of launch control. Always perform launches on a dry, flat surface to maximize tire grip and prevent wheel spin. While exhilarating, avoid excessive, repeated launches to help preserve your vehicle's drivetrain components and overall longevity. After a successful launch, you'll experience the incredible acceleration and grip that the Porsche 911 Turbo S is famous for. Feel the powerful G-forces as the car rockets you forward, delivering an unforgettable driving sensation. It's a testament to German engineering and performance. Remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. Enjoy the ride and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.